Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create Telegram channel in 2023, and I'll advise you watch this video till the very end, because at the end of this video I will show you how to get subscribers to your Telegram channel. In case you're just joining us for the first time, you're just seeing my video, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification so that whenever I drop updates on this channel, you will be among the first to get my updates. And also don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful, and drop your comment in the comment section to tell me what you feel about my videos. So if you want to create a Telegram channel, all you need to do first, you need to have the Telegram application in your phone. If you are using an Android phone, you can download the app from the Google Play Store, and if you are using an iPhone, you can get it from the App Store. Once you have this app in your mobile phone, you need to launch the app. Once you've launched the app, just like this, you make your registration. Then you click on the pencil icon at the top right. Here we have three options. We have the new group, new contact, then new channel. You click on new channel. Then you click on create channel. Here you need to enter the name of your intended channel. For example, let's enter our channel name. You can enter the description to the channel. Just enter any description that suits your channel. You can upload a profile picture. You can tick on this to upload a profile picture. You can get a profile picture. You can get it from your gallery. You can search on web, but for now let me cancel this. I'll skip this process. Then you click on next. Here you need to identify the kind of channel you want to create, whether it's a public channel or is a private channel. Public channel will allow anyone to join your channel anytime, but private channel, before anyone join your channel, they'll be joining with the link you gave to them. So I'll be making it as public channel. Then after that, you enter the link to your public channel. For example, we are trying to create the link to our channel. If the link is available, it will show you that this link is available. As you can see, Hood Trends _ guide is currently available, so I'll go with that link. You can restrict viewers, you can restrict your subscribers from downloading your content, like from saving your content on this channel. If you want to restrict them, you tick on this restriction option here, but I don't want to restrict anyone, so I'll have to untick it. Then I'll click on next now. Here you can add maybe your contacts to the channel. Like if you have any of your contacts you want to add to the channel, you can click on them and add them to the channel, but I'll have to skip this option for now and move to next. Here the channel is ready. As you can see, this is the channel. You can broadcast from this channel. You can broadcast and your subscribers will see your broadcast, just like this. So now let me show you guys how to invite subscribers to your channel, how to get people coming to your channel. Click on the option of your channel. You see the link to your channel. As you can see here, this is the link to your channel. If you want people to keep coming to your channel, just copy this link, copy the link, move to any of your social media profile, like your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your YouTube. Once you're making posts on the social media, you can refer people to join your Telegram, and you post the Telegram link there. That way people will be rushing to your Telegram channel. So guys, that is it on how to create Telegram channel 2023. I believe this video is helpful. If it is, kindly give me thumbs up by liking the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next one.